everyone! Did you know that encryption on edge device can bottleneck your network performance? With TLS 10GC, we are here to change that. Design Gateway presents a high-speed secure communication demo on KR260 featuring TLS 10GC IP, TLE 10G LL IP, and LL10G EMAC IP, using 10 Gigabit Ethernet connection to eliminate bottleneck, boost data transfer speed, and ensure a seamless user experience. This demo showcases secure communication between the Lint web browser on KR260 and a web server. The setup includes a KR260 board, a test PC running an example Node.js server, a switch and gateway, connected together via 10 Gigabit or 1 Gigabit Ethernet connection. Let's take a closer look at Lint, a lightweight text-based web browser, making it ideal for resource-limited edge devices like KR260. For secure browsing, Lint uses HTTPS protocol relying on OpenSSL to handle the TLS handshake, encryption, and decryption before transfer data to Ethernet. However, on edge device with limited resource, CPU-intensive encryption and decryption process lead to slower data transfers. With KR260 10 Gigabit Ethernet connector, built-in hardware logic, and minor modification on OpenSSL and Lint, TLS 10GC IP, TLE 10G LL IP, and LL10G EMAC IP significantly boost transfer speed while preserving a seamless browsing experience. To accelerate data transfer with our hardware accelerator via a 10 Gigabit Ethernet interface, the KR260 setup requires just 3 simple steps. First, set up the user space. Minimal modification on Lint and OpenSSL enable switching between 1 Gigabit and 10 Gigabit port, as well as enabling and disabling the hardware accelerator. Design Gateway provides example modification on GitHub repository for easy implementation. Second, set up the kernel space to communicate between hardware and user space software without the need for additional device driver development. This demo uses devmem and devudmabuff in the kernel space. The udmabuff version 4.8.2 is used in this demo and available on our GitHub repository. Third, configure the hardware. Download and load the accelerator application with Steam provided by Design Gateway to enable high-speed secure data processing. Let's start browsing website with Lint. Using Lint, user can browse the internet and interact with website via the keyboard. Enter Lint with the URL, and Lint will render the HTML page received from the web server. This demo gives you control over 2 key parameters. Econ. Choose between 1 Gigabit or 10 Gigabit Ethernet. Hardware enable. Toggle the hardware accelerator on and off. For example, set Econ to 10 and hardware enable to 1 to use the 10 Gigabit Ethernet interface with the hardware accelerator. Lint will render the received data, allowing user to browse websites just as in normal operation. To compare download speed, Lint can connect to an example Node.js server and download a data pattern. With 1G Ethernet, the download speed averages 0.7 Gigabit per sec while using 100% of one CPU core and 60% of another. In contrast, with 10 Gigabit Ethernet, download speed averages 1.4 Gigabit per sec with 100% usage of a CPU core. These results highlight that Lint's performance is CPU-bound. By offloading the TCP IP stack to TLE 10G LL IP and TLS tasks to TLS 10GC IP, the CPU can focus on other tasks, boosting transfer speed without alternating the browsing experience. Empower your edge device today Visit www.designgateway.com to experience the future of high-speed secure connectivity.